In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put figure numbers in Google Docs. Whether you're working on a research report, creating a professional presentation, or you simply want your images and figures to look polished, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Docs document and navigate to the spot where you want your image to appear. Once your cursor is in place, go to the Insert menu, click Image and choose whether to upload an image from your computer or select one already in your Google account. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Selecting the right image is important because it needs to fit the context and purpose of your document. Next, it's time to add a caption or figure number. Click just below your inserted image, and if needed, press Enter to create some space. Then type your caption, for example, Figure 1, description of the figure. This isn't just a label, it provides context that helps readers understand the image's relevance. To make your caption look clean and professional, highlight the text and press Ctrl+I or CMD+I on Mac to italicize it. You can also reduce the font size to around 10 or 11 points so it doesn't overpower your main text. For a polished layout, center align the caption beneath your image. This ensures it looks neat and consistent throughout the document. To keep numbering consistent as you add more images, follow the sequence, Figure 2, Figure 3, and so on. For precise alignment, consider inserting a one-row, one-column table under your image, place the image inside the cell, and add your caption below it within the same cell. Once you've added all your images and captions, your document will look organized, professional, and easy to navigate. After that, you should be able to maintain consistent figure numbering throughout without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to create a list of figures at the end of your document for quick reference. This adds an extra layer of professionalism to your work. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add figure numbers and captions in Google Docs easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might want to make their documents more professional. Why not make someone's day easier?